I need to find a continuous time Fourier series of the signal which is plotted here. Solution. So what is the first thing I need to do? I need to find t and I need to find omega naught, right? But what is omega naught? Omega naught is 2 pi by t. Once I get t, I can find omega naught. So now how do we find t for this signal? What is t first of all? It is nothing but fundamental period, right? So is the signal periodic? Yes, this is periodic. The signal is, the pattern is repeating, right? After every 1 second, after every 2 seconds, after every 3 seconds, the pattern is repeating. But fundamental period is what? Smallest value of time for which, smallest interval of time for which the signal repeat itself. So here the smallest amount of time for which the signal is repeating itself is for 1 second. For every 1 second, the pattern is repeating. Okay, so therefore t fundamental period for this signal is 1 second. If this is 1 second, what is omega naught? Which is 2 pi radians per second. Right? So once we got omega naught, or once we got t, then I can plug this into the formula. So this problem is different than the previous two problem which I solved. Okay, so now what is the finding a continuous time Fourier series is nothing but getting its Fourier coefficient x of k. Okay, which we did it in the previous problem, right? But here it is a different kind of problem where I need to apply the formula, analysis formula. And what is the analysis formula for Fourier series? It is 1 by t times, I need to integrate it for one period, the given signal x of t into e power minus j k omega naught t dt. Right? So this is equal to, what is t here? T is 1 second, so 1 by 1, it is just 1 times. Integrating for t is equal to, for one period I need to integrate, so I'll integrate it from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. And what is x of t for 0 to 1? It is e power minus t. It's an exponentially decreasing signal, e power minus t. This value they have given, e power minus t. Okay, into e power minus j k. And what is the value of omega naught? Omega naught is 2 pi, right? So 2 pi into t dt. Fine. Now I'll take minus t common from these two exponential. What do I get? Integrating from 0 to 1, e power, I'll take minus and t common. I'll take, here I have t, here I have t, both I have minus, so I'll take minus t common. What do I get? 1 plus j times k 2 pi, e power minus t, e power minus t, e power minus j k 2 pi t, e power minus j k 2 pi t. Okay, and dt. Fine. So now I need to integrate this. So we have x of k is equal to, integrating from 0 to 1, e power minus of 1 plus j k 2 pi into t dt, right? So x of k is equal to, what is the integration of e power minus of 1 plus j k 2 pi into t with respect to t? It is nothing but same signal and the divided by coefficient of t, which is minus of 1 plus j k 2 pi with the limit 0 to 1. Okay, and I'll take minus of 1 divided by 1 plus j k 2 pi common. So upper limit e power minus of 1 plus j k 2 pi into 1, upper limit, minus lower limit is e power 0 is 1, right? And this is equal to what? If I take this minus inside, so what do I get? It is nothing but 1 minus e power minus of 1 plus j k 2 pi whole divided by 1 plus j k 2 pi, and this term here is e power minus 1 into e power j k 2 pi, right? And this is 1 actually, because e power j 2 pi multiply with any integer is always 1. Okay, so this I end up with 1 minus e power minus of minus 1, 1 minus e power minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus j k 2 pi, and k is varying from minus infinity to infinity. So this is the Fourier series coefficient we have. So we don't have to give values k varying from minus infinity to infinity. We'll give just 5 or 6 samples. We'll take k is equal to say -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. We'll give those values. Okay, but this is varying from minus infinity to infinity. Fine. Therefore, what do we have? X of k is equal to what? 1 minus e power minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus j 2 pi into k, right? So for k equal to 0, what is x of 0? It is 1 minus e power minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus 0, which is equal to, so we get 0.632. If we do this math, we get 0.632. So for k is equal to 1, what is x of 1? So 1 minus e power minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus j 2 pi into 1. Okay, if you simplify this, we get 0.015 minus 0.098 j, right? So if I put k is equal to 2, so x of 2 is equal to 1 minus e power minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus j 2 pi into 2. If we simplify this, we get 0.00397 minus 0.049 j. So I can give dot 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 k equal to 3, 4, but we just stick on to 0, 1, 2. Similarly, we have to go for the negative side. So for k is equal to minus 1, x of minus 1, what we get is 0.015 plus 0.098 j. So this will be a complex conjugate of x of 1. So k is equal to minus 2, x of minus 2 is equal to complex conjugate of this, which is 0.00397 plus 0.049 j. Okay, so and this goes on, but I am taking from minus 2 to plus 2. Fine. So therefore, what do we have? X of k is equal to dot dot dot. It is there from minus infinity, but k for k is equal to minus 2, it is 0.00397 plus 0.049 j, comma k is equal to minus 1, 0.015 plus 0.098 j, comma k equal to 0, it is 0.632, comma k is equal to 1, 0.015 minus 0.098 j, and k is equal to 2, it is 0.00397 minus 0.049 j, and it goes on. So this is the Fourier series coefficient of the signal given. So similarly, we need to plot its magnitude and phase angle. We will do that. So once we got x of k, so magnitude of x of k, if you calculate and just check the answers, what we get is 0.049, comma this is at minus 2, k equal to minus 2, k equal to minus 1, 0.1, k equal to 0, 0.63, k equal to 1, 0.1, k equal to 2, 0.049, and dot dot dot, and phase angle x of k is equal to dot dot dot, so 1.49, k equal to minus 2, k equal to minus 1, 1.41, k equal to 0, it is 0, k equal to 1, minus 1.41, minus 1.49, so dot dot dot. So if we plot magnitude of x of k or k 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, so at k equal to 0 to 0.63, so it is 0.1, it is 0.49, so it is 0.1, it is 0.49, and it is varying from minus infinity to infinity, and phase angle of x of k is 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, at k equal to 0, it is 0, so this is minus 1.41, minus 1.49, is plus 1.41, plus 1.49, and it goes on. This is k. So this is the magnitude and phase angle.